Hi, I'm Red Skull, and today, I'm going to pull the fire alarm at this hotel as a prank.
Hey, B, what's with the fire alarm going off?
Yeah, why is the fire alarm going off in this hotel?
There's probably some smoke in this hotel. We need to get out of this hotel right now, and we need to take the stairs and get out of here.
Hey, what's going on? Why is the fire alarm going off?
I think maybe there's a fire in this hotel. Let's get out of this hotel. Oh, and we should not take the elevators. We should use the stairwell. Let's go.
At Red Skull's house.
So, Red Skull, how was your day today?
It was good, Mom and Dad.
Glad to hear it, Red Skull. Hello, this Mr. Skull speaking.
Hello, Mr. Skull. This is the hotel manager Tom Nook speaking, and I'm calling about your son.
You're calling about my son? What did he do this time?
We just checked the hotel security camera footage. It got your son pulling the fire alarm at our hotel, and as for that, you and your wife will be fined $500 because of your son pulling the fire alarm at the Comfort Inn Hotel. I expect the fine to be paid by next month. Goodbye, and have a good day.
My son did what? And we're fined $500? Oh my god, he is so grounded. Thanks for telling me about this.
Who is that on the phone?
It was the hotel manager of the Comfort Inn Hotel. The security footage caught Red Skull pulling the fire alarm at the hotel, and we are now fined $500 and we have to pay the fine by next month.
What? Oh my god, Red Skull, we can't believe you pulled the fire alarm at the Comfort Inn Hotel. You're absolutely not allowed to do that at all.
I agree with your mother, and thanks to you, we are now fined $500, and we have to pay the fine by next month. That's it. You are grounded for 35 days. Go upstairs to your room right now and think about what you have done.